And I think that's pretty interesting out of all the other things that they've done before. There's even a dunk that they have based off the paintings, which I think is more creative in mine. As I said, like, if y'all sneakerheads like me and y'all enjoy and love rocking sneakers, y'all stay tuned for more. Let's get straight into the video, y'all. Let's go. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Virgilio back again with another banger, man. Hey, if y'all new to the channel, welcome to the Soul Seekers. And if y'all coming back, what's good, Soul Seeker Squad? Hey, as y'all can see right here, and if y'all read the title above, I got a special unboxing for y'all today. We're gonna be unboxing the Air Jordan 4 Wet Cements. If y'all sneakerheads like me and y'all enjoy and love rocking sneakers, y'all stay tuned for more. Without further introduction, let's get straight into the video. Let's do it. So the Air Jordan 4 Wet Cements, they were first released in April 2024, and these kicks were a part of the Olympic pack. As y'all know, currently the Olympics are going on in Paris, so they based the whole Olympic pack off the Olympics in Paris itself, and specifically with the Air Jordan 4 Wet Cements. You can see how it stands out as the most creative shoe with the different types of grades that are on the palette of the shoe. And they dropped July 27th at a retail price of $225. So I got my knife. Let's get straight to the unboxing, y'all. Oh, I actually don't need it. Okay, as y'all can see here, the box itself has like a cement gray type color, and I think the palette itself, when I was looking at the shoe online, as y'all can see right here, the gray, it gives off like 3-4 different grays, as you can see right here, similar to the box. It has like a cement gray type color on the toe of the shoe, and it has like a iron gray on the soles at the bottom, and also on the midsole as well. Let's get straight to the first look. Okay, so actually, out of all the J's that I've seen, it's never been wrapped individually like this. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, so this is the left shoe. Okay, to be honest with you, I thought these were way like brighter in person. I mean, compared online, but they're actually like pretty dark. So you can rock a lot of neutral color. You can rock a lot of neutral color shoes with this. Not neutral color outfits with these shoes. So I really do like how they individually wrap this. I've never seen this before. So this is what both of them look like together. The Paris 4, as you can see, is a concrete type color. It was based off of Paris's streets and the concrete that is made on the concrete sidewalks and the concrete road itself. And I think that's pretty interesting out of all the other things that they've done before. There's even a dunk that they have based off the paintings, which I think is more creative in mine. As I said, like this is pretty just a neutral base shoe, and they blend really neatly together with the different colors of the shoe. So as we get a close-up shot, you can see in the upper and the tongue, it's crafted from the soft nubuck, giving the shoe a premium feel. And as you check out the debossed netting and the tongue tags, you can see how they add a sleek touch to the overall design, and that the hardened toe caps and lightly flexed wings and heel clips not only provide durability, but enhance the aesthetic appeal. Well, but other than that, let's get an on-feet look of what they feel like and look like. So as y'all can see on the 4s themselves, they are different from other 4s that have been released before. So as you can see right here, on the tug of the shoe, it's not normal like it used to. It's not stitched on. It's more like the design itself is inside the making of the tongue. And I really like this compared to all the other ones because I don't really like the tag too much. But the one thing good about the tag is like if you get somebody sends you a fake pair, if you get a fake pair, you can tell the difference like with the tag. So I wonder how this would work with like these type of pairs. But yeah, so as y'all can see up close, it has 4 different types of grays. It has the smoke gray, the iron gray, the cement gray on the toe of the shoe, and with the particle gray. So as you look at the sole of the shoe, you can see how there's, you know, the cement, there's iron gray on the logo itself, and on the back of the tongue, on the back of the shoe tab, actually that's where the particle gray is shown, and has the little speckles just like on the box. So one thing I like about these, it kind of reminds me of the Oreo 4s, to where they kind of did the same thing with the box. They showed like the different palette and the aspect of the shoe on the box itself. And a lot of times they don't do that with the shoe. A lot of times they have the same type of color, but they don't usually match like the palette with the shoe itself, and the creative designs that make the shoe different from other shoes. So compared to other 4s, I don't think they're like the greatest, like they're the greatest like 4 that you could ever cop. Me personally, I would probably rock the black hats over these, but these are a neutral color, so it's easy to rock with a lot of shoes. And even like other shoes, you can do a all red shoe magic. I wouldn't wear it, but you could do that. But yeah, so it's a pretty solid shoe. They released, you know, as I said, they released for $225, so I don't know if it's worth $225, but if y'all go in a retail store, they might still have them. They sold out in decent time. I said they made a lot of pairs, so they're not too crazy. So as y'all can see, these shoes pretty stand out and really pay homage to the Paris concept of the shoe and the design concept of the concrete road. And I think it's, I'm not gonna say it's a must-have for the summer or even like contender for shoes of the year. I don't think it's that crazy, but it is something that you could, if y'all have enough money to do it, I would say just cop if you need a neutral color shoe, like gray, black, white, all white, those type of color shoes. You should get them, because I got this because I don't have like an all gray shoe. I don't really see too many like that, and most of them aren't that clean. So I feel like I could do a lot of stuff with this, and we're gonna find out the fit picks for it. So I think y'all should just invest in them if y'all like them, but if not, don't be too pressed to get them. Well, so as y'all saw the on-feet look of what it looks like with like an outfit that's like similar to it, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Jordan 4 Paris wet cements, and y'all let me know if y'all gonna cop them, or if you would like to cop them, or if you're even interested in them. And if you like the video and you like the review, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, soul seekers. Keep seeking souls, keep seeking God. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I love y'all. We out.